Anthropic started watermarking the text its models generate this week to comply with the new EU transparency rules. I think it's a good move. It also makes a point I've been making all year. In their own words, they were careful about what the mark means. It shows that a Claude model processed a piece of text. It does not claim the model authored it. Ask Claude to proofread your paragraph, and you get a marked document back too. Processing, not authorship. That distinction is the whole game. A watermark answers one question. Was a machine involved here? That's a detection signal, and a genuinely useful one. It doesn't answer the harder question. Who wrote which part? The human, the model, or the system in between? That's provenance, and it's a different problem than detection. I've spent this year building that second layer, a record that keeps the division of labor intact, the operator's queries and choices, the model's reasoning, the harness's transformations, each attributed to whoever actually authored it. Not trust that a human stayed in the loop. A record of where in the loop the human was. Here's a live session logging itself as it runs. At the end, each exchange is hashed. The hashes fold into a Merkle root, and the root gets signed. Then you download the sealed session. It's a file, and it's yours. The verifier is public. Drop the file in, and it recomputes in your browser. Hashes, root, signature, checked against the published key. Green means the record is intact. Now look at the audit. 3 exchanges, 3 different models. Each one broken out. What you contributed, what the model contributed, what the system did around both. That's the division of labor, preserved. And the verifier is doing real work here. Change one word in that file, and the record goes red. 2 layers, not 2 rivals. The lab marks that its model touched the text. The provenance record shows who did which part. Complementary to what Anthropic shipped this week, not competing with it. And this runs deeper than any one paragraph. When you can't tell human writing from machine writing, the shared data well gets poisoned. Models trained on unlabeled AI output, thinning out each generation. A watermark is a dye in the water. Provenance is the filtration. That's where I'm headed next. The verifier is at rabbitholeai.ai/verify. The evidence repo is at github.com/uu2142-dev/alice-evidence, MIT licensed.